Basic English Course Day 2 Test. Get ready to do the test. It's an easy one. Find the subject and verb in each sentence. ஒவ்வொரு சென்டென்ஸ்லையும் இருக்கக்கூடிய சப்ஜெக்ட் அண்ட் verb இன நீங்கள் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஓகே, try this. I sleep early. We danced on the stage. Sarah is a student. They played cricket last week. You will win in a match. Children were learning outside. Angela is making coffee. I can swim well. Collecting stamps is my hobby. My mother likes watching TV. John's brother is a doctor. Her pet cat likes milk. My father's car is red. He and his brother study in same school. Mira and I are working together. I went out to buy lunch. Okay, now I'm gonna let you know the answers. See whether your answers are correct. I sleep early. I is the subject. Sleep is a verb. We danced on the stage. We is the subject. Danced is a verb. That is the V2 form of dance. So the verb in this sentence is danced. Sarah is a student. Sarah is the subject. Is a verb. They played cricket last week. They is a subject. Played is a verb. You will win in a match. The subject is you. Verb is win. So will, what is will? Will is the helping verb. Children were learning outside. Children is a subject. Learning is the verb. So the were is the helping verb. Angela is making coffee. Subject Angela. Making verb. The helping verb is. I can swim well. I is the subject. Swim is the verb. So can is the modal auxiliary verb. Collecting stamps is my hobby. Subject. Collecting stamps. Verb is. My mother likes watching TV. My mother is the subject. Likes is the verb. John's brother is a doctor. So what is the subject? John's brother. The verb is. Her pet cat likes milk. Subject. Her pet cat. Verb likes. My father's car is red. My father's car, that is a subject. Is, that is a verb. He and his brother study in same school. He and his brother is the subject. Study is the verb. Mira and I are working together. Mira and I, that is the subject. Working is the verb. Are is the helping verb. I went out to buy lunch. I, subject. Went, verb. This test is just to check whether you can find subject and verb in a sentence. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரியான சென்டென்சஸை எப்படி உருவாக்குறது, இந்த ஹெல்பிங் வேர்ப்ஸ், மாடல் ஆக்ஸிலரிஸ் இவை எல்லாவற்றையும் யூஸ் பண்ணி எப்படி சென்டென்சஸை உருவாக்குறது போன்ற விடயங்களை நாங்கள் ஃப்யூச்சரில் வரக்கூடிய வீடியோஸில் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ இந்த டெஸ்ட்டில் ஜஸ்ட் சப்ஜெக்ட் வேர்ப் இவற்றை உங்களால் டிஸ்டிங்விஷ் பண்ண முடியுமா அப்படின்றத நாங்கள் பார்த்தோம். ஸோ உங்களோட ஸ்கோரை மறக்காமல் கமெண்ட் பாக்ஸில் மென்ஷன் பண்ணிடுங்க. I'll wait for your results. Thank you for watching the video.